Alright, the M96 ran for about an hour and a half. The EM2 ran for half an hour or so. I tried refueling it because I thought maybe it was low on fuel, but maybe the batteries I have are low. I haven't checked the batteries in a while, and I just have a pile out here that I kind of stick in engines. So I am gonna head in and get some other stuff done today, but this has been a nice break from the frustrations of certain sewing machines. And the M96 is still a little charming little engine. Hopefully I'll make some time to adjust the governor weights and see if I can get it to go slower soon.